So the concept is here. Now we have a Lamy's rule. Lamy's rule. Actually, Lamy's rule in a is a sine rule is almost exactly same. A sine rule you done in a O levels. Okay, A. So this is called small a. B. This is called small b. C. This is called small c. And what is the criteria? Learn. For example, this is angle C. How to start? You can start from anywhere. C by sine capital C and B by sine capital B. This is called sine rule. We have done already in O levels. Almost similar kind of concept comes here, and you will see inshallah how it works. Okay, Islamic rule apply when you have a three forces, not on two forces. Three forces. Number two, it applicable only in equilibrium conditions. Only if system is in equilibrium. Equilibrium. Okay, so let's start. What's the Lamy's rule? We have force number one, force number two, and force number three. If they are acting such a way in front of F1, this angle is called alpha. It is F3. This is called, okay, I think F2. This is, wait a minute, I wrote twice. Okay, no problem. Let me write it 2, F2. So this is called beta, and the third is called gamma. So how to write the Lamy's rule? I can start from anywhere. Let's start from this force by sine of alpha, like this. You can see that. So F1 divided by sine alpha is equal to F2 over sine beta, and is equal to F3 over sine gamma. So we can see that this is a Lamy's rule actually, and it was similar like cosine rule. So any two you use, for example, I use these two to solve, I use these two to solve, or I use these two to solve our question. I hope so. You got the idea. And if we combine them, we can make triangle even, right? So for example, if I drag these forces such a way, don't change the direction, okay, and don't change the value, and don't change the angle. So I can make a triangle like a O levels pattern. So Lamy's rule concept is very, very clear. And let's talk about some questions now. Yes, student, this is a question, October 2005, paper 4, mechanics paper, okay? And we have given three forces. So here we can apply Lamy's rule. And first of all, criteria, it is equilibrium, rule number one. And rule number two is three force acting on a point A. How come, sir? One force acting here, second force acting here, and third force acting here. So what I'm going to do, I am going to do what? This pulley plus weight. Hold on. When this weight, W1 acting downwards, common sense, so it will pull this string this way with the what force? Same force, this force and this force exactly same. So I given this name as W1. And this weight is downward is W2. And this is the same here. So this is a W2. So what is the pull downward? Same pull here. So alhamdulillah. And this is a weight downward acting 5 newtons. So I think you can see that is a 5 Newton. We have this W1, W2, and 5 Newton. So three forces acting. So for a while, I can rub this part. This part is gone. So no care about this pulley. And in our syllabus, pulley is smooth. You look at here, smooth pulley. So in our syllabus, rough pulley is not there in whole syllabus. Okay. So one part is very, very clear. Now you can see that. Look at here. I show rough diagram. This one here, all very visible now. W2, W1, downwards 5 newtons. If you add them both, this and this, it becomes 40 plus 600 comes. Okay, this is straight line, my dear. If this is 60 degree, all of you know this become 180 minus 60. So become 120. So it means I can say clearly 120, though this is a 120. Okay, this is a 40, my children. This is 40. And how much this one? 180 minus 40, because pull is 180 degree. Straight line 180 degree, subtract 40, and you got purely 140. So Mabruk, I have all conditions are applicable now. I'm going to finish my question, 6-mark question. Show this forces resolving to examiner and game is over. So look, this is given, must use this one. One unknown and one given. So I can use this one, W, let's start. So W1 divided by sine of 120. How come? I repeat, W1 divided by sine of 120 degree is equals to 5 up by sine of 100 down. And Mabruk, alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen, in one line, we got our answer. So simple, 6 marks. So 6 marks we have. What is the, I suggest you to get a full marks, best technique, you have to show the resolving forces, because there are some marks for resolving components. If you don't show, So I'm worried maybe you lose marks, not maybe confirm. We check it. The mark scheme will come to know easily that you lose marks in case if you will not show full working. Okay, this is my answer. But right, 3SF, I don't want. Is it bigger than 4? Yes, so add. So it becomes what? 4.396. So 6 gone. It becomes 4.40. So 4.40 we got answer. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen, we got it. Similar manner, my children, I got W1, I need W2. So this time I'll use Lamy's rule for this component and this component. So let's start. So I have space issue, so I'm writing on the left hand side W2 by sine of 140 is equals to 5 divided by sine of 100. Again, same story, it multiplies with the 5, and that's it. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. We got our answer. Okay, and if I type in calculator, I will get my answer. So I am just typing. It is coming 140, and rest is same. Yes, exactly. Answer is coming with me 3.26. After rounding, I'm writing answer. So 6 mark question. So I suggest you please show this diagram to on your note on your worksheet, and this working and this working, and that's it. Alhamdulillah, question is completely over. So these courses which I erased is just for understanding that I can pick only for required target. Okay, that's question is alhamdulillah finished.